Nothing OS 4 is set to mark a major leap forward in the evolution of Nothing's Android-based operating system. Designed with a focus on personalization, performance, and smarter system intelligence, the upcoming update is expected to launch in the last quarter of 2025, in line with the release of Android 16. Building on the foundation laid by previous versions, Nothing OS 4 aims to refine the user experience while deepening the connection across the broader Nothing ecosystem. One of the key improvements anticipated in Nothing OS 4 is adaptive battery management. The system is expected to automatically optimize power consumption, helping extend battery life without the need for user intervention. This aligns with Nothing's consistent emphasis on efficiency and simplicity, and early leaks suggest that intelligent power optimization will be a central focus of the Nothing OS 4 update. The signature Glyph interface, which gained popularity in OS 3, will be further refined in OS 4. Users can expect smarter, context-aware lighting notifications that reduce distractions and prioritize important alerts. For example, the interface could flash for critical messages while ignoring less urgent pings, offering users a more streamlined and less intrusive notification experience. OS 4 could also optimize the new rumored dot matrix interface in the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. Community feedback, particularly from platforms like Reddit, has played a significant role in shaping the development of Nothing OS 4. Requests, such as improved battery charge estimates and app-specific audio output controls, have been widely discussed, and several of these features are expected to be implemented in the upcoming version. Additionally, enhancements to the gallery and camera apps are also anticipated, focusing on usability and function over visual redesigns. What do you expect from Nothing OS 4? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in description. Furthermore, personalization will be taken a step further, with users gaining more control over quick settings, lock screen widgets, and visual themes, including font choices. These enhancements are expected to maintain Nothing's trademark minimalist design while offering more flexibility for individual preferences. On the security front, Nothing OS 4 will likely expand on features like privacy space, introduced in OS 3. The new version may include more detailed app permission settings and secure encrypted storage areas, reinforcing the brand's ongoing commitment to user data protection and privacy. However, it's worth noting that previous versions of Nothing OS have faced criticism for inconsistent update rollouts and occasional software glitches. As Nothing OS 4 will be built on Android 16, a focus on stability and smooth performance will be crucial in meeting user expectations and addressing past concerns. In summary, Nothing OS 4 is shaping up to be a thoughtfully designed update that improves the core user experience through smarter battery use, refined notification handling, deeper customization, and enhanced privacy controls, with AI playing a major role at the core. If Nothing delivers on its promises with strong software stability and timely updates, OS 4 could set a new benchmark for clean, intelligent, and user-driven mobile interfaces. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing OS 4? What are your expectations? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.